In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a repository in Bitbucket and push code to it. You'll see just how simple this process is, especially when using the Bitbucket web interface. Let's get started. First, log into your Bitbucket Cloud account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see several options in the sidebar. Look for the plus icon, which represents the Create option. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select Repository. This step officially begins the process of creating a new repository. Next, choose the workspace where your repository will live. Bitbucket organizes repositories within workspaces to help keep projects and teams organized. You can select an existing project or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Now, give your repository a name. The name must be under 62 characters. Bitbucket will automatically format the repository URL by converting all letters to lowercase and replacing special characters with hyphens. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects your project. After that, decide on the repository's access level. By default, Bitbucket sets repositories to private, meaning only authorized users can access them. If you want anyone to be able to view your code, you can change the setting to public. You'll also have the option to include a README file. Adding a README initializes the repository with an initial commit and provides an introduction to your project. This is highly recommended, especially for collaborative projects. Once everything looks good, click the Create Repository button. Bitbucket will then create your repository and redirect you to the source page. On this page, you'll find the repository URL, which you can use to clone the repository and push your code from your local machine. And that's it! You've successfully created a Bitbucket repository and are ready to push your code. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, repositories are essential for managing and updating your code efficiently. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and feel free to ask questions if you have any. Happy coding!